Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a professional grade foundation system that delivers flawless airbrush coverage, you're in for a treat. Today, we're talking about the TEMPTU SB Foundation 12-piece starter set and Airpod Pro cartridge bundle. It's a mouthful, but don't let the name overwhelm you. This kit promises to elevate your makeup game with a sophisticated airbrush system, and I'm here to see if it really lives up to the hype. Let's dive right into what you get with this set. The TEMPTU SB Foundation Kit comes with 12 different foundation shades in an AirPod cartridge form, along with the Airpod Pro, a professional airbrush system that's designed to apply your foundation smoothly and evenly for that ultra-flawless finish. The brand TEMPTU is known for its airbrush systems, typically used by makeup artists, and this set is marketed to those of us who want to get salon-quality results at home. First, let's talk about how it feels in practice. The Airpod Pro is surprisingly lightweight and easy to handle, making it simple to get into those hard-to-reach spots without feeling like you're carrying around a heavy tool. The airbrushing process itself is effortless. You just pop in one of the Airpod cartridges, which automatically clicks in place. With just a gentle press of the button, the airbrush system disperses the foundation in a fine mist, creating an even and smooth application. It's fast, and it doesn't leave streaks, which I really appreciated. Now let's touch on the foundation itself. TEMPTU's SB formula is a silicone-based foundation, so it's ideal for giving you a long-lasting, smooth finish. It's designed for medium to full coverage, and while it's buildable, it doesn't feel heavy. The texture is lightweight and breathable, which is great for those who want a natural look but still need some coverage. It didn't clog my pores or feel greasy, which is a huge plus. One of the best parts about this kit is how versatile it is. Whether you're looking for a light layer of foundation or something more full coverage for a night out, this system has you covered. And because you get 12 different shades, you have more flexibility to mix and match until you get your perfect match, which is especially great for people with hard-to-match skin tones. In terms of performance, I used it in both my everyday routine and during a special event. I found that it holds up well throughout the day. It lasted through sweat and even some humidity without looking patchy or uneven. However, I did notice that for people with very dry skin, the foundation can sometimes accentuate dry patches, so make sure to moisturize well before applying. It's not necessarily a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you have more parched skin. When it comes to value for money, TEMPTU isn't exactly budget-friendly, but it's definitely a solid investment if you're after high-end results. The kit is priced higher than most traditional foundations or even other airbrush systems, but considering the professional-grade performance and the versatility of the system, I'd say it's worth it if you're serious about your makeup routine or if you love experimenting with airbrush techniques. If you're someone who's more accustomed to a traditional makeup application and not into the airbrush method, I'll be honest, it takes a bit of practice. But once you get the hang of it, the flawless results are hard to beat. On the flip side, if you already use airbrush makeup or are looking to upgrade your routine, this is a top-notch option. In terms of build quality, the Airpod Pro feels sturdy and durable. The airbrush gun is ergonomically designed, making it easy to hold for longer periods without causing strain. The cartridges themselves are disposable, so you don't need to worry about cleaning them after every use, which is convenient. So who would I recommend this to? This kit is perfect for anyone who wants a professional quality airbrush system at home, particularly makeup enthusiasts or those who have special events to prepare for. If you're new to airbrushing, there may be a bit of a learning curve, but it's worth the effort. The only downside is the price, but for what you get, 12 shades, long-lasting wear, and a premium airbrush system, it's a solid investment for beauty lovers who want to take their makeup to the next level. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this airbrush system or have any thoughts, drop a comment below and share your experience. The link to purchase this product is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.